Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another limited edition beauty unboxing to share with you, and it's from beautybay, and this is the Summer Survival beauty box. Inside contains 13 skincare, hair care and makeup products, and it has a value of £104.95 and it costs £35. This was released just a couple of days ago. I opted for next day delivery so then I could film and upload this video straight away. So if you're interested in this box for yourself, you were able to get it. Because I released another beautybay beauty box video a few days ago, last week sometime, but unfortunately that sold out super fast. So yeah, if you're interested in this, then you will find all details down below in my description. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you have to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So let's get on to open this up and show you what's inside. First up, we got a moisturiser. This is by beautybay's own brand, and this is Thirst Class Rich Moisturiser Oatmeal and Oat Lipid for hydrating and replenishing skin and normal to dry skin types. And there's 90 mils there. Now I've recently just tried a few of the skincare products by beautybay, and the vitamin C range. I had a cleanser and I had a toner. I love it. I absolutely love it. Yeah, really great products so far. I received those two in a PR package a little while ago, but I did receive some by beautybay skincare products in the last box, which I haven't tried yet. No scent. Look how thick that is. Wow. I'll try a bit on my hand. It's like cocoa butter. Oh, it feels absolutely beautiful. Oh, I do really like it. It feels so nice on my skin. Wow. No, I want it to smell of cocoa butter, but it doesn't. It just feels like a gorgeous, luxurious, thick, creamy moisturiser, or even a body lotion. And it goes in really nicely. It's not leaving like a white cast, which is a pain sometimes, especially if you're in a hurry and you want to get on to doing your makeup, but you have to let your skincare sit that little bit longer. But no, that is lovely. Yeah, really nice. All by beautybay beauty products are cruelty-free and vegan. So we've got a rich moisturiser there. Then we've got some spot dots. These are dotted spot blemish sticks for tackling breakouts and distressed skin for all skin types. And again, this is by beautybay, and there's 72 patches here. So I'm on medication to control my acne. So I'm lucky enough not to have acne at the moment, but I've got teenagers, so this will come in handy. So I will be passing this on to them. Can't open it, but I just wanted to show you what they look like inside. There, I grabbed one little sheet. You see? Apply on your skin, leave on for, what's it say here, preferably overnight. These patches work on whiteheads, blackheads and pustules. Not suitable for cystic under the skin or nodule acne, which is what I had. Horrible, painful acne. Big lumps and bumps under the skin. No, horrible. But yes, we've got some of this. And next we've got one of the products that made me go for this box in the first place. This is Supergoop Play UVB High Protection SPF 50 Everyday Lotion with Sunflower Extract. Very water resistant. 71 mils here. From what I've tried from Supergoop so far, I really like. It's a great brand. Really happy I've got another SPF. I use SPF every single day, and I've already got one of these, but I haven't tried it yet because it's in my holiday bag. We're due to go on holiday in 5 weeks' time, and I just sort of gathering things together just so I have an idea of what sort of things I want to get. And yeah, so I've got one of these already in there. But I'm going away for 2 weeks. I've never been on holiday for 2 weeks before. My very first time. I don't know how much SPF I need. I've got my body SPF sorted, but this is for my face. I don't know, shall I just bring 2 of them? I'm just talking bollocks now. Talking bollocks, I'll just shut up. But yeah, this is really great. Can't tell you if it's any good or not though, because I haven't tried it yet, but I have tried other products from this brand and I love them. Next, we've got something else that is coming on holiday with me. This is by Holika, and it's a soothing gel. It's aloe 99% in a gorgeous bottle. Now I had a little mini version of this in my pack ready to go on holiday. At the moment it's all a big mess. I've just thought, yeah, that'll do, yeah, I want that, and I've just shoved it all together. And a few of you have said that you'd like to see what things I bring on holiday with me, so I will be doing a video before I go, but I'll probably post it up after I come back. But yeah, so I've got a little mini one of these. But I'm going to bring this one now, even though I don't burn when I'm on holiday because I'm SPF 50 every single day. My skin does get hot, and it is so nice applying this, especially on legs after doing like a long walk or something like that. So yeah, I'm looking forward to having that, and that's going to go straight into the fridge where we're staying. And again, this was another reason why I went for this box. This is BuChuffing cream. All natural, ultra hydrating, high performance, vegan friendly for beautiful curves that rub. Also for friction caused by hot weather, exercising and sanitary pads. And there's 50 grams here. Now I've never tried this before. Whenever I go on holiday, I always buy it. Oh my gosh, I can't remember the brand now. And it's For Her, and it's pink, and it cost me about £20, but it lasts me ages and ages and ages. The reason I'm buying a new one now is only because I've got like sand and stuff in my other one, which is not great if you're rubbing onto your thighs, but it's brilliant. Really great, really great. I've got chunky thighs, so yeah, without any cream or balms or anything, I will get some friction this. I thought, ooh, what is this like? It's a cream. I've never tried a cream. If you've tried this, please let me know what you think. I'm putting it on top of the moisturiser now, but it doesn't matter. Yeah, a cream to stop you. It just feels like a moisturiser, like a body lotion. Yeah, I don't know how that will work. But with a balm, obviously, the friction is you just slip in. Your thighs are just slipping together. So, but with a cream gets absorbed into your skin. Maybe this one doesn't. Oh, I don't know. I'll have to try it. So yeah. Next, I've got a Sunday Rain body butter, mango and coconut, and there is 90 grams here. What a gorgeous little pot. Look. Really, really cute little pot. I've just made a big hole in the top there. This. Oh, it feels just like the moisturiser. Really nice, thick and creamy. It just feels really nice in my hand. Yeah, a really gorgeous pot there. This is SOSU Dripping Gold Luxury Tannin Drops Gold Hydrating Self-Tanning Drops in a Sun-Kissed Glow Concentrated Tannin Booster for the face. And there's 30 mils here. The outer packaging is clear. So because I've never tried this before, I'm more likely to mix it in with my moisturiser and gauge the colour that way. So it says here it's hydrating, glow boosting, customisable, lightweight formula, develops within 4 to 6 days. No, not days, hours. 4 to 6 hours. Then we have got from Bleach London, Reincarnation Mask, Need a Second Chance, Resurrect Dry, Damaged, Bleach All Coloured Hair, Vegan and Cruelty Free. The tube is made with recycled plastic and there's 50 mils there. I haven't tried personally any products from Bleach London before. Something new for me. It just says massage into shampoo hair and comb through. Wait for 10 to 20 minutes, then rinse. Use whenever hair feels parched. So that might be a nice thing to take on holiday. Maybe, although I wear hats all the time. Oh, see, I am scatty. I need 5 weeks to work out what I want and what I really, really want. Not just what I think I should have because I've seen someone else have it, you know, because I always overpack. I'll have to sort myself out. So there's that. Next, we've got some wipes, facial wipes. This is Yes to Cucumbers Soothing. These are calming facial wipes, 96% natural ingredients, and there's 30 wipes in here. Not only do these Yes to Cucumber facial wipes provide a spectacularly gentle clean, but they're also oil-free, enriched with aloe vera, made with compostable plant-based fibres, CFC certified fabric, and dermatologically tested. It's got some wipes. Then we've got Beauty Cooler Angel Eyes Collagen Infused Eye Gels, and there's 4 pairs in there. I'll just get them out and see. It says when to use. Early rises, long flights, before bed or late nights. They hydrate, depuff and brighten. Oh, look, they're really cute. Look. shooting stars. Can you see? So there's 4 pairs there. Next, we've got another product by beautybay. This is a makeup product, and this is a powder highlighter. Just says a lightweight powder highlighter that delivers a smooth, pigmented finish, blendable and buildable. This versatile highlighter can be used to create a variety of looks, from soft, supple shimmers to bold and blinding effects. Wow. Oh my gosh, it is a bit too full on for me. I'm going to pass that on. It is really pretty though. Or I might actually keep it for eyeshadow. And it's really pretty, and you know, you can easily blend it out as well. Yeah, I might keep that. Not pass that on. So there's that. Next we've got a Dr. Pawpaw product, and it's something new. I've never tried this one, so I don't know if it is a new product to their range, but this is a summer balm, multi-purpose soothing balm with natural pawpaw for lips, cheeks and body with added shimmer. Fragrance free, vegan friendly, and it says you have Save the Children, so they're obviously working with Save the Children. Is it 50 cents of every sale of the product is donated to Save the Children? Brilliant. It provides moisture to lips and skin with added shimmer, and we've got 25 mils there. So it's clear to start. Let me just blend that in the corner there. I was expecting it to be more like pearlescent with like pinky, shimmery, purpley tones, but it's not. It's there, right on the corner. It's more of a silvery, shimmery balm, but it's pretty. It is really pretty. Like, you can see the difference between the highlighter and this balm. This balm is what I would normally go for in a highlighter, as in there's a subtle shimmer, but it gives you more of a dewy look to the skin, as opposed to the highlighter. It's got more glittery particles, which is a little bit too much for me, especially putting highlighter here. I don't want it to accentuate my fine lines. You might not be able to pick that up. There's the glitter, there's the highlighter, and that's the balm. Yeah, I like that. I like that. That'd be quite nice just to add onto my cheeks. Yeah, my lips, as it says. And then lastly, it's just a little mini, but we've got a Smashbox, the original Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer, and there's 5 mils there. There's just a little one there. So yeah, so those are the products inside this brand new beautybay Summer Saviours beauty box. There's 13 products in total. It costs £35 and it has a value of £104.95. I am really impressed with it. I love the moisturiser, the very first product I tried. Really gorgeous, really thick and creamy. I can't wait to try it on my skin. But yeah, the Supergoop, really happy with that. I love the beautybay boxes. I've had nearly every single one now, and I've always been impressed. They just seem to be jam-packed full of products. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this new box? Have you gone out and bought it? Or are you watching this for the first time thinking, I'm not too sure? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon. Bye.